Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A8s official release date. So just when everyone thought that Huawei will beat its counterpart with the first ever in-display selfie camera smartphone, Samsung has pulled itself back. But before talking about the release date, let's talk about what this mobile has to offer. So the Samsung Galaxy A8s is expected to sport a 6.36-inch AMOLED display manufactured by BOE. The screen's resolution and aspect ratio are not known at this moment. The handset is expected to have Qualcomm's upper mid-range Snapdragon 710 chipset and is likely to arrive with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. Camera-wise, the Samsung Galaxy A8s has been rumored to arrive with triple rear camera setup. This setup is expected to be 25 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 10 megapixel mated with LED flash, just like we see in the A7. For selfies, the device is expected to flaunt a 23 megapixel shooter on the front. Furthermore, a 3400 mAh battery is likely to fuel the device. Powering the Galaxy A8s could be Android Pie based One UI, which is Samsung's latest custom skin. Lastly, if rumors are to be believed, the phone will ditch the 3.5mm headphone jack. And the A8s will arrive with the most anticipated Infinity O display, which means that there will be a hole punched in the screen for the camera on the top left corner of the screen. Furthermore, the Galaxy A8s will be the first Samsung smartphone to come with top bezel completely shaved off. The phone seems to flaunt a chin, but it's sleeker than the current crop of Galaxy smartphones. The text on the poster reads Real Galaxy Inside into the Future, probably hinting towards the new design the 8s is going to sport. Now about the release date. So the official release date of the Samsung Galaxy A8s is 10th of December. Okay guys, that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, like this video, and comment down your questions in the comment section below. I will surely try to answer it. But for now, let's call it a day.